Guys, today I'm going to tell you which drone is better, the ESP32 drone or a normal drone. And I'm also going to explain to you which one you should buy, according to what you're trying to do with it. Now for the ESP32 drone, the ESP32 drone is extremely cheap, which mostly can come around $15 in USD, and it's also programmable. So basically you can program it with Python codes, or you could also program it with your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, though it does have less range than a normal drone. Here is a normal drone. A normal drone has a lot of range. Now the difference between a normal drone and an ESP32 drone is simple. In a normal drone, you cannot add more programmable things like a sensor to sense where the height is of the drone, or to tell you how much the drone has thrust or is it unbalanced. Meanwhile, for ESP32 drone, you can add whatever you want onto the side over here, like a sensor, or to see if there's more thrust. So in total, I think that an ESP32 drone could be better if you're looking to program. Now, if you're looking to just roam around and use a drone and fly it around, I suggest buying a normal drone, because a normal drone is covered up, so if it falls down, it won't damage the chip inside of it, and you still have the propellers and thrust moving. But if know if the drone falls down and gets damaged or the propellers get damaged, you're gonna have to fix it by yourself. Or if something inside gets damaged, you're gonna have to open the cover, and if the cover doesn't open, then you might have to buy a new drone. But if you're still not looking to program a drone, but you want a drone that you can customize, and you just don't want to program it, but you just want to customize it and add some more things, then the ESP32 drone should be your move. And just make sure the ESP32 drone is connected by Wi-Fi, so it only has a range between 30 to 50 meters compared to the normal drone, which has 50 to 100 meters of range. So in total, I would say you should buy the ESP32 drone if you are programming it, or you want a cheaper option, or if you're either just looking to customize your drone. And if you want a normal drone and you just want to fly it around for fun, then you should probably go for the normal one, because it's not really that much cheaper, but it is for fun, and there's a less of a chance for it to get damaged. And you can also get the ones with protected propellers, so you won't have to worry about it much for a long time.